Hey, welcome back. Today we'll be continuing our Chinese Zodiac series by Victorinox with the 2019 Year of the Pig Huntsman. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Okay, continuing on in the Chinese Zodiac series of knives that Victorinox has been doing for several years. They all come in this luxurious display box and have a limited edition run. So for 2019 we get the Year of the Pig in a little bit different brown box. Has some nice little decorations on it. And then for a identifier number we get 1.3714 Echo 8. So again, it's a Huntsman, Year of the Pig, 2019. So as we open it up, we get kind of that familiar layout with our Huntsman knife over here, and then our little decorated pamphlet, which has a really nice pig. I like pigs, so that's kind of nice to me. And then we get our horoscope card in red this year. And I'll try to hold it there as steady as I can. If you want to read that, feel free to pause the video. And then we do have, I'm not sure if I'm holding that right, so I apologize. But you have the Chinese original language on the back. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, so let's pull our knife out here. We get our standard care, use, and maintenance card. And then we will zoom in here and take a look at the scale. Neighbors slamming doors, apologize. So again, we have a 93mm 4-layer Huntsman right at 3/4 of an inch wide. Our Victorinox shield on the back layer, and our standard 4-layer corkscrew, solid, with our precision screwdriver that was in there pretty tight. And I always forget to show this end of it. And so for 2019, looking at our serial number here, which is not stamped very deep, we have a limited edition run of 8,888 pieces again, and this is serial number 8330. And we still have our spot for the push pin, but we don't have it there. Again, this is going to have all the 2019 tool set. So I'm just going to breeze through it to the best of my ability. I still end up rambling. But you have your postal hook there. Post 85 reamer all. Key ring in the post 91 location. Standard opening layer. The precision screwdriver can opener. Cap lifter with a 90-degree stop, wire bender, and hollow ground screwdriver. Scissors. With the spring guiding groove. The wood saw, standard main blade, and then the standard Tang stamp, Victorinox Swiss made stainless, Officer Suisse, Spear point blade. Our can opener, or excuse me, wow. Toothpick. And the tweezers. Okay, I'll give you another look at that 2019 Year of the Pig. And it's kind of interesting. On this model, they did put the 2019. The 2018 just had the dog there. 2017 just had the rooster. But for 2019, they actually put 2019 on there. And then we'll see as we look at the next one, which is a 2020, that they changed the box design to a little bit smaller box. It's kind of neat. So if you enjoy these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.